Hey guys, today we're gonna look at I'm Yours by Jason Mraz, super popular pop song that's been on the radio. We're just gonna dive in. I'm gonna play a part of it first, and I'm gonna break down how to play all the chords. But I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment. People dance and sing. We're just one big family. And it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. That's how you play the chorus portion of the song. Let's dive into how to play it. Let's take a look at these chord transitions. So whenever you're strumming, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. See how I'm ending on the up strum right there? That is your cue to move to the next chord. So right on the up strum, I'm gonna move my left hand to the G, like that. And I'm gonna land onto it with the down strum. So take a look at this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Switch, down on the G. Down, down, up, down, up. Let's try that again on the C. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Switch, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Great job. Okay, let's do it now through all of the chords. On the C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Switch, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Switch, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Switch, F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Do a little slower this time. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Yeah, so keep working on that. Feel free to pause the video, backtrack, that kind of thing. Just really get a feel for those transitions when you change after the up strum and you land on the next chord on the down strum. Okay, another thing we can do to take this song to the next level and really play it like Jason plays it is to get the feel of the rhythm. And to do that, you're going to do a little chucking motion like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And the way I'm doing that is I'm taking my right hand and I am landing down and muting the strings at certain points of the strum pattern, like this. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Right after the up strum. Let's listen to it again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. See that? Let me do a little slower. Down, down, up, mute, down, up, down, down, up, mute, down, up. Again. Down, down, up, mute, down, up, down, down, up, mute, down, up. Down, down, up, mute, down, up, down, down, up, mute, down, up. And this is going to take quite a bit of practice, but you're going to love playing the song even more once you get that down. And I'm just muting with the palm, or really the side of my palm right here. And I'm just landing down onto the strings. And when I land down onto them, it is stopping the vibration and it's muting the sound. So let's try that one more time. I'm just going to play it a little faster so you can really hear how it sounds. Down, 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 down. Just like that. Really take a listen to those muting sounds. Let's go back to full tempo here, the normal tempo of the song. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. One more time. Down, down, up, down, 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 down, up. And there's I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. I hope you guys had fun learning I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Now we're going to take a look at the 3 levels of mastery. For level 1, play, I'd like for you to practice the song 15 minutes a day for 1 week. For level 2, explore, go ahead and take this chord progression that we just learned and then change the ordering of the chords entirely. So go ahead and just make up your own chord progression and have fun with it. For level 3, advanced, what's interesting about this chord progression is that it's used in a number of pop songs out there that you probably know. Songs from Lady Gaga, from Imagine Dragons, from Adele even. So go ahead and look through the list, and then I want you to play some of those songs on your own. All right, I will see you next time where we're going to learn I Got a Feeling by the Black Eyed Peas.